Hello everyone. What's the problem today? Well, the problem is, well, it's not a problem. I have some vocabulary and grammar from a lesson, some notes I made for the student, and I want to look at this line, and if it has one of these code tags, LRG, GLD, GRA, I want to copy that line into my text. So extend adhesive, no, yes, LRG, copy and paste into my text. Paste. Next one. This line here, the best thing, no code, which is no. Aha! The best thing is a G. Okay, so you can see it's a little bit slow if I do it like that. I mean, I could copy and paste everything and take out lines, but when there are lots and lots and lots of lines, I think we need some Python. Okay, so when you have all of these lines here, then you need to take out the last letters. Okay, this will be our final text. So before you start, think about the process. What was step number one? Step number one was we looked at the line in the string. We looked at this first line. That was the first step. And then the second step. If the line has one of these code tags, one of these, that's the second step. If the line has one of these code tags, what do we want to do? We want to print that line. Print the line. But then at the end, we want to take away these letters, so we have this clean code. So there is your task. In this task, one way is to use one loop with for blah 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 and blah blah blah, and then a second loop for blah 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 and blah blah blah. But maybe you'll find a different way. It doesn't matter. Let's use Python!